I've been thinking about getting a canning system pretty much since the first time I bottled anything. I absolutely abhor bottling. More Beer was kind enough to send me their new can seamer, and I cannot wait to try it. Alright, I'm going to do my first fill on the Cannular system. Okay, so I've got my keg and I've got my beer gun. This is made by Blickman and I got it off More Beer a while ago. It was like $100. And I got my sanitized lids. I've got some labeled cans that I just printed out and stuck on. First thing I'm going to do is sanitize my can. I'm just going to spray it in there and dump it into my tray. I got my can and got my beer gun. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to purge this with CO2 first, and then I'm going to get the beer in. So to do that, this is the CO2 purge button, and then this is the beer gun button. So I'm going to try to can right on top of this foam to prevent oxygen from getting in the can. Looks like I filled it a little too high. That's cool. Alright, so I'm just sticking it in the cannular, making sure that it locks in. The fun part. So then there's a 1 and a 2, so you go back first and then forward. And I canned my first beer! I'm so excited! Look how good it looks!